So what does digital manufacturing mean to the medical device community today? Things have been growing steadily. New products are coming out. The decades-long way of making things, predominantly with rows of people, have worked. So why do we bother with this? Well, the first thing we see is that the bar of expectations is rising steadily and more rapidly than it has in the past. Percent defects are now being replaced by PPMs, which are now being replaced by incident rates. On-time delivery is no longer a want, it's a must. And the old way of just working harder and harder and harder is now really being able to be replaced by working smarter. We have tools available to us just within this item alone that would have dwarfed the imagination 10 years ago of what's possible in our industry. So we look at robotics, we look at, or let me be more clear, we look at robots doing things that humans used to do with a level of precision, repeatability, and data feedback it's unimaginable. We look at supply chain accuracy and spontaneity and performance that replaces the best guesses from the smartest people that still yields warehouses full of inventory with true just-in-time production. We look at cutting cycles of new product iteration and product submittals for compliance, such as FDA, because we can give real-time data from a product's production from the day it was born, not after it gets into scaled production. All of these things are coming together and meeting with product development using generative design to figure out the digital optimal answer. We don't guess anymore. We know it's factual. You put that together with emerging, accelerating manufacturing technologies such as additive, and you have a solution that just can't be matched with an analog solution. So I'm extraordinarily excited about what this digital paradigm is bringing to us, because it really puts us on the doorstep of perfection in manufacturing. And I'm, for one, really excited, and we're committed to have Micro be your partner towards walking you through and into this world. So stay tuned.